Okay, so it's about 10:30 p.m. on Thursday night, and of course, I'm only packing my car because the drift event is tomorrow, and I'm a procrastinator. So anyways, it's pretty simple. All I gotta do is just pull this car out, load the wheels in, load the tools in, load the chairs in, dust this nasty thing off, and then we should be all good to go. And it's super, super easy, so here is that. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I'm already sweating. Oh my god. So one of my white wheels in the last video was leaking. So we're actually gonna swap one of the good tires onto this and then take the good tire off the good wheel and put it onto the matching one of this because I don't like mismatched spares. So yeah. I know I'm not done yet, but the car just needs a finishing touch just so I don't forget. It's so dirty. You know, I still can't believe that my Z hasn't ran since 2017. It does not feel like it's been 5 years. It just really doesn't. Perfect. Looks so much better. And just as a pre-hater comment, I understand this is my S13, but I have no words. Yeah, that's just, I mean Z32. That's just who I am. I might finish it. I might not. I don't know. This is me having a moment. I'm taking notes from a different angle. Whoa. Wait, space. I'm not putting on the arrow.
You're not.